Hi friends! Thank you for clicking on this video and welcome! Today I will share with you a recipe for Bulgarian style stuffed vegetarian peppers. And before we go further, if you are interested in such cooking videos, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, don't forget the bell, and let's begin cooking! Clean and wash the peppers. Remove the seeds just like I'm showing in the video, then wash it and let it dry. For this recipe I will be using this long green peppers and I'm going to use 6 of them. Peel and grate about 2 large carrots and then chop 20 grams of onions. You're going to need those for the rice. Then go ahead and saute the veggies for the rice. In a cooking pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add some bay leaves to give it this extra aroma, then add the onions and the carrots, shred about 1 clove of garlic, and then let it cook for about 2-3 minutes. Meanwhile, wash the rice. I'm going to wash the starch out of it and I'm gonna wash until the water that's coming out of the rice is nice and clear. For this recipe, I'm using 1 cup of royal mixed rice. Check description for more information. And to this 1 cup of rice, I will add 3 cups of water. And then after you added the water, go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of paprika, a little bit of salt, about half a teaspoon, then some dried mints, trust me about the dried mints, and then add a little bit, just a little tiny bit of nutmeg. Let the rice cook for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Now this is very important, you don't let the rice cook all the way through, it has to be about halfway done. And now it's time for the tomato sauce. To 1 cup of tomato sauce, gradually add 1 cup of water while mixing on medium heat. And let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, and that's it. On the bottom of the cooking pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Make sure that it goes all over the pan and go ahead and stuff the peppers just like I'm showing in the video. I find using a teaspoon just the easiest way to stuff these peppers. And then pour the tomato sauce all over the peppers. Preheat your oven at 350 or 180 by Celsius and then cook for about 40 minutes. Here is the final result. I honestly wish there was a way for you to smell this just by watching this video. This is a great and easy recipe to enjoy with your family. Serve with some chopped parsley, a piece of lemon, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. For more videos, hit that subscribe button, don't forget the bell, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!